Hello guys, so in this video we will see the requirements and process of installing result management system project in your system. So there are some prerequisites and tools which will require to install this project. So first of all, we will require one IDE that can be Eclipse or STS. If you are going to use Eclipse, then we will require STS plugin in that, or there is one separate IDE known as Spring Tool Suite or STS. And after that we will require Visual Studio Code to run front end project and MySQL workbench for a database part. Now we will require JDK 11 or any higher version of that, and Angular CLI must be installed in your system, and also environment variables such as Java home path should be set. So I will open my command line interface and I will check the Java version available in my laptop. So I will give this command Java version, and we can see I have Java version 17.0.1. After that I will check the version of Angular. So for that I will give command ng version, and after giving this command you can see the details of Angular CLI. So I am using Angular CLI version 14.1.0, node is 16.14.0, and package manager, that is npm, of version 7.14.0. So to install Angular CLI, you have to install this node first. So how to install node, how to install Angular CLI, you can check that on any YouTube video or on Google. Now after this I will show you my environment variables to you. So I have opened this environment variable. Here you can check Java home path is already set, that is program files Java JDK 17.0.1, and also we need to check path for that. So in path I have provided the path of this JDK 17.0.1 and /bin. So you have to set such kind of environment variables. So now I will close this and will tell you the steps to run the project. So we can run this project in very simple steps. So first of all, you have to extract zip files which I have shared with you, each for front end and back end code. So to save time, I already have extracted these two files here. So now I will open this Visual Studio Code and will open one of these folder for front end code. So just click on this file and open folder. So I will browse till the path for this front end project code, that is result_management_system. So I will open this folder. Inside that also double click on this folder and will open other folder, and you have to select this result-management-system and select folder. So after selecting folder, it will open folder in new window. So you also can check source code by opening these tabs here, such as app, components, admin and admin analytics. Then I will open the terminal by clicking on this terminal tab, and such kind of path should be there, result-management-system at the last, and I will provide one command to run this front end Angular project. So I will just write ng serve and press enter. So it will take some time to build packages and run this project. Now you can see this project is compiled successfully. Next step will be we have to open the backend project in Eclipse. Before importing this backend project in Eclipse, as I mentioned earlier, we will require one plugin to run the project in Eclipse. So I will show you first how you can install that plugin. So for that you have to click on this help. After that you have to go to the Eclipse marketplace and type STS4 and press enter. Now if you scroll down little bit, you can see this STS4 plugin here. I have already installed it, but if you have not done or doing this first time, you can install this. So it will take some time, and after installing this plugin, you have to restart your Eclipse once. So for now I will close this window as I already have installed this plugin. So now we will see how to import backend project in Eclipse. So you can simply click on this file, after that import, then you have to search for this Maven here and click on this existing Maven project. Next, then you have to browse to the path of backend project folder which we have extracted. So you can click on this result.management. Inside that, again you have to double click and open that folder, and you can select this result.management folder here. After that, you can simply click on this finish button. So at the bottom you can see the project is importing. So it will take again some time to import the dependencies from the web. After this process completes 100%, then you can expand this project here. Inside that, you can click on this source resources folder, and inside that you have to open this application.properties file. Here, this last line, run SQL for initial data equal to true, is not required, hence you can ignore or delete this from here. Apart from that, there is other value, that is pass percent equal to 35. So this is the minimum passing percentage of student used in this project, and you can change this value as per your requirement. After that, the important things you have to check here are these database configurations. So you have to provide URL, password and username for your database. So whatever name you have provided here in URL, you have to create the database with the same name in MySQL. So you can change or keep this name as it is. So I will just make it RMS, as I have already the database result management created in my database. After that, you have to provide password and username. So you have to provide your username and password here. And now I will save this file and open my SQL workbench. So after opening my SQL workbench, we have to write one query here to create the database as given in application.properties file. So write this query, create database RMS, and run this query. So here you can click on this refresh button and check whether the database is created or not. So as you can see, the database with name RMS is created. So you will come back to our backend project in Eclipse and will run the project. To run this project, you will simply right click on this result management project and click on this run as, and here Spring Boot app. So as soon as you click on that, the project will start running. This process also will create required tables in database automatically. So you can see start is completed and this project is running successfully. So till now we have run our front-end project as well as our back-end project, and now we are ready to use the project. But before that, if you want to insert some initial data to database, I have provided one insert script to insert this data. This step is optional and you can avoid it. So I will open that insert data RMS SQL script. So I have copied all the commands from that script and pasted it here. So I will select all of the script and now will run. So now all the commands are executed, and you can check this number that 892 commands are there in this file. So all of them are executed, and now we are ready to open our project. So to run this project, you can open your browser and type localhost 4200. So you can see the project is now running and you are ready to use it. So by following this simple step mentioned, you are able to run project.